Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add Instagram link to Facebook. If you're using Facebook now you want to add your Instagram links to Facebook, so let's see how can you do that. So very first you have to simply open your Instagram app, go to your profile option in the bottom right corner, and here you just have to copy your profile link, tap on share profile option, and here you'll get the option of copy link. Just tap on copy link and your link will be copied to clipboard. Now go back from here, open your Facebook app, and here just tap on your menu option in the bottom right. Then tap on your profile name to open your profile page. And your profile page, you just have to tap on edit profile option. Just scroll down and look for links option here. You'll get the links option. Just tap on add to add a link here. Now you just have to tap on add new link, and here you have to select Instagram. And here you just have to enter the link which you have copied, just paste it here, or you can also try to enter username for your Instagram. So let's say I'm going to add my username here, just remove that, and here you will see your username. You just have to try to copy your username, or you can also remember this and write it here. So here once you have entered your username, just tap on done, then tap on save option. So it will save or it will add your Instagram link to your Facebook profile. So now go back to your profile page, and here you can see that we have successfully added our Instagram link into our Facebook profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.